at the perfect lighting. I'm going to be doing a Nerf gun review. So in my last video, I did a Nerf gun review on the strong arm. And yeah, so now I'm actually going to do my first Mega review. The Mega Nerf Cyclone Shock. You want to know what's kind of weird? It has the Nerf Elite logo right here for the Elite, but it's a Mega gun, which is kind of weird, but whatever. So I'm going to be showing you, reviewing this good gun. So first, let's go on with attachments. Since I don't have any attachments, I'll just tell you where you can attach stuff. So technically, there's only one spot. There is a railing right here, and kind of something right here where they kind of do for Nerf Rebel, I think. I'm not sure. Comment down below if I got that right. So yeah. So those are your railings and adjustments. You could put an aimer, a grab, a handle, And yeah. So this Mega gun holds 6 Mega darts. You can buy it for around under $20, but I got this for $23. So yeah, around 20. As I said before, it holds 6 Mega darts, and it's really powerful. Check it. So it goes 90 feet, and yeah, so that's really cool about this Nerf gun. It goes 90 feet. It has something right here where you can put your hand on, which is really comfy. It's smooth, soft, has good grip. And it actually has a pretty good aimer because it has these things right here and right here in the middle. So when you aim, it'll be exact. So that's really cool about this gun. The trigger is actually pretty nice. And the handle actually could hold my whole hand, including my thumb and stuff. Yeah, but I only need to put 3 fingers and 1 wrapped around. One for the trick. You can reload nicely. You pull it back, it switches. And yeah, I heard you could do mods with this gun, but I'm not going to choose to because I like the gun just the way it is. Yeah, so it has a really good design. Like I said on the strong arm, I said it kind of has the same thing as the Mega Cyclone Shock. Because right here, as you can see, there's kind of squares kind of right there. And with the strong arm, there are also the squares. I hope you can see it. You can see it a little bit. So yeah, that's really cool. It says Cyclone Shock on only one side, not on the other, which is strange, but okay, it has the Nerf logo also on one side. So I'm assuming the only name it has on both sides is the Mega, because the right side says Cyclone Shock, Nerf, Mega, Nerf Elite, Strike, or whatever. Yeah, so it has everything on this side. On this side, it just says Mega. So that's kind of weird, how they try to fit all the logos on the right side. As I said before, it reloads nicely. When you reload it, you can kind of see that pump thing right there. So that's cool. It does do slam fire. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's kind of hard with this gun, but you can do slam fire. So yeah, so that's really cool. And yeah, it's about the size of my elbow to my fingertips. You guys can see that. Overall, it's a really good gun. The only thing I don't like about it is when you try to do slam fire, it's really hard. And that sometimes when you pull it back, really fast, it won't switch. See? So I'm going to put in 2 bullets. It may not work now, but trust me, it has. So I'm going to put 2 Mega bullets in. So see how I just shot it. See, when I do this, I try to pull it really fast. I can shoot it, but it doesn't switch. But when I do it slowly, it switches. But I don't find that kind of, good, because when you're in Nerf, you want to reload quick. or else you're gonna get shot. So that's the only thing I dislike about that gun, but hey, it could just be my gun, but I've seen it happen to other people's guns, so be nice to your Nerf guns, or else it'll do bad things to you. So yeah, so that was my Nerf gun review on the Nerf of the Nerf Cyclone Mega Shock. Oh my gosh, why is it on the Mega Cyclone Shock, which is also part of the Nerf Strike Elite brand or whatever. Some of my guns are, yeah, literally almost all my guns are except for my zombie crossbow, the rapid fire X shot, my Lawbringer, which is outside, not outside, in my room, in the Tech 6 Buzzbeat Air Warrior gun. So yeah, so literally almost every brand that is Nerf has it except for Zombie Strike. So yeah, so that is my Nerf gun review for the Mega Cyclone Shock. Comment down below if you would use this gun in Nerf war, because trust me, you do. Heck, this has one heck of a punch in that gun. So comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, overall you should buy this gun. So see you guys next time. Bye.